Hello, I created this flow as a good midday reset. Get your body moving and stretched out. If you want to put a drop of peppermint oil, doTERRA essential peppermint oil in your mouth, that will help to get your airways open, get you energized and ready. So we'll start an extended child's pose, big knees or knees apart, big toes touching, hands extend to the top of the mat. Start to connect to your breathing. Deepen your inhale, lengthen your exhale. Find tabletop pose, lifting yourself up and move into big hip circles. So shifting your hips to one side, move back towards your heels, around and forward. Connect it to your breathing so you can inhale forward, exhale back. Good. And then we'll switch directions, go the other way. Around, forward and back. Just moving into whatever space is available for you. It doesn't have to look like mine. And then come back to your extended child's pose. This time we'll make our arms a little more active. Prop up on fingertips, lift your elbows up off the mat. Good. On your next inhale, move forward, moving into cat-cow. So let your belly drop, lift your gaze. Inhale, exhale as you round through your back, chin towards your chest. Inhale, let your belly drop. There's a slight micro bend in your elbows. Lift your gaze, your tailbone. Exhale, round through your back, chin towards your chest. Inhale, move back to cow. Let your belly drop, lift your gaze. And then exhale, find downward facing dog. Take some movement here. Pedal out your feet. Bend one knee and then the other. Maybe sway side to side. Just a small micro bend in the elbows so you're not locking anything out. And then bring your knees to hover and step it forward to a forward fold. Crown of your head hangs toward the mat. And then inhale to your halfway lift, long spine. Exhale, come back to your fold. And root to rise. Sweep your hands all the way up. Palms touch overhead. Inhale. Exhale, find your mountain pose. Inhale, sweep your hands up. And on your exhale, slide your right foot back for crescent lunge. Send that right hip crease forward, maybe a little mini back bend, lift up through your heart. And then on your next exhale, find your warrior two. Good. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Front hand lifts up over your head. Exhale, windmill your hands down. Right hand touches the mat. Left hand extends up for dragonfly. And then exhale, step your back foot forward, forward fold. Halfway lift on your inhale. Exhale, fold. Root to rise. Sweep your hands all the way up. And exhale, slide your left foot back, crescent lunge. Send that left hip forward. Maybe you create that little mini back bend. Lift your heart up and back. And then exhale, open up, find your warrior two. Inhale, reverse your warrior, front hand lifts. And then exhale, windmill your hands down. Left hand hits the mat, right hand lifts up. Pop that back heel up. And then step it forward, forward fold. We'll move through that one more time. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Root to rise, sweep it up. Exhale, slide your right foot back, crescent lunge, maybe a little mini back bend here. And then on your exhale, open up, find your warrior two. Inhale, reverse your warrior, front hand lifts. Exhale, windmill your hands down. That left hand extends up. You can stay here or bend that back knee. Of course, bring the back knee to the mat, bend it, reach around, grab the foot, stay open through your heart, or you can stay in that dragonfly, and step it forward, forward fold. Good. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. Other side, root to rise, sweep it up. Exhale, slide your left foot back, crescent lunge, maybe a little mini back bend. And then on your exhale, open up, rotate your back heel down, find warrior two. Inhale, reverse your warrior, big stretch. exhale, windmill your hands down. Left hand comes to the mat. Right hand opens up for dragonfly. And then maybe bring the back knee down. Bend that back knee. Reach around, grab for the foot. Stay open through your shoulders, still pressing that right shoulder back as you look up towards the ceiling. And then release it and step it forward. Find your forward fold. Inhale, halfway. And then exhale, this time step it back, downward facing dog. Roll yourself out, big long wave. Move into plank, lower your hips, find one more cobra pose. And then exhale, shift it back, child's pose. Take a few good breaths here. And find your traditional child pose. Bring your knees together, arms along your side. Just feel how that stretch feels a little different in your body. Take a breath in. And your exhale, roll it up. So bring your hands to your heart center. Deep breath in through your nose. Side out through your mouth. Nice. Have a beautiful day.